Hello, my name is Jannis Gruber and my thesis is titled Spatiotemporal Analysis of Vegetation Cover in Barcelona. The goal of my research was to understand how vegetation in the Barcelona metropolitan area has changed over the last 4 decades, from 1984 to 2025, and what factors have driven these changes. Vegetation plays a critical role in urban environments, providing cooling, improving air quality, and supporting biodiversity. In a city like Barcelona, where urban growth and climate challenges intersect, monitoring green cover is essential. To do this, I used satellite imagery from the Landsat 5, 7 and 8 programs and calculated annual maximum NDVI values, which measure vegetation health and density. These yearly layers were organized into a space-time cube, a 3D structure that preserves both spatial and temporal continuity. I then applied clustering algorithms, specifically dbScan, to group areas with similar vegetation trends over time. The results show 2 clear phases. First, from the 1980s to the 2000s, there was widespread browning or decrease in vegetation across urban and suburban areas, mainly due to rapid urbanization, infrastructure projects, and events like the 1992 Olympic redevelopments. Then after the financial crisis in 2008, the trend shifted and urban greening programs such as new parks and street tree initiatives led to gradual increases in vegetation in many districts. Protected natural areas such as Collserola and Grau remained stable with consistently high NDVI values throughout the study period. One interesting finding was the impact of sensor differences. The transition to Landsat 8 in 2013 caused a noticeable jump in NDVI values, and comparisons with Sentinel-2 showed even higher values. This is also highlighting the importance of harmonizing multi-sensor data and keeping that in mind. In conclusion, this study demonstrates how combining remote sensing with spatiotemporal analysis can reveal long-term ecological trends and support sustainable urban planning. Future work could integrate socioeconomic and climate data or use higher resolution imagery such as Sentinel-2 for detailed insights. And that's all. Thank you for listening.